In this informative video, I will unveil 6 lucrative techniques that can help you generate $800 per day. The most exciting aspect is that these methods are accessible to individuals from any location, enabling you to begin earning within minutes. Let's delve into the details. One of the first strategies I'll introduce is creating and selling contracts. This side hustle has the potential to yield remarkable earnings with minimal effort. Allow me to summarize the key steps involved. Begin by establishing a listing on popular freelancing platforms, such as Fiverr and Upwork, where you offer contract writing services. When clients provide you with the necessary contract details, simply copy and paste them into the chatgpt. Once you've crafted the well-written contract, deliver it to your client, who will compensate you handsomely. While this approach can be highly rewarding, there are crucial factors that contribute to success, which I'll guide you through comprehensively. To kickstart this venture, your initial step is to create a freelancing account on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. By doing so, you position yourself for success, as clients will seek you out rather than you struggling to find them. This strategy proves far more effective than the commonly suggested cold emailing technique, as you aspire to be a spider, not a fox. A spider constructs a web, your freelancing listing, and waits for its prey, clients, to come to it. Conversely, a fox expends copious time and energy attempting to capture a rabbit, a client, from a cold email, sometimes without success despite a lengthy, arduous pursuit. To maximize efficiency, focus on creating a compelling freelancing web. The sign-up requirements for these platforms are minimal. You need to be at least 13 years old and committed to completing the assigned work. Rest assured that virtually anyone watching this video possesses the necessary qualifications. Simply provide the requested basic information, choose a professional moniker, and establish your pricing between $40 and $60. While this figure falls slightly below the average rate for freelance contract writers. Now that you've established the foundation, it's essential to enhance your profile and broaden your scope of opportunities. Adding previous work to your portfolio is a crucial step in showcasing your contract writing expertise. You might be thinking, but I don't have any prior work experience. Fear not, as I have a solution. Utilizing ChatGPT, you can swiftly create 5 to 10 sample contracts within minutes and upload them as your past work. Here's a valuable tip when it comes to showcasing your previous contracts: ensure that you cover a diverse range of contract types. By including examples such as employee contracts, LLC partnership agreements, basic selling contracts, and more, you attract a broader client base in the future. Providing a variety of samples demonstrates your ability to cater to the needs of different individuals, which boosts your credibility and increases your chances of being hired. With your account now fully set up, you're primed to attract clients and embark on the path to significant earnings. The process itself is straightforward and has the potential to generate well over $800 per day, provided you acquire a sufficient number of clients. However, I strongly advise against claiming expertise in crafting extensive legal contracts. Such endeavors require a level of knowledge beyond AI's current capabilities. Instead, focus on smaller, 1 to 3 page contracts that cater to simpler agreements. Now, let's delve into a secret technique known as digital dropshipping. This innovative approach offers a hassle-free alternative to traditional dropshipping methods. Unlike the conventional model, digital dropshipping eliminates concerns about shipping logistics, product validation, and significantly enhances profit margins. Picture this: instead of dealing with a $20 physical product that costs $10 to manufacture, $3 to ship, and presents challenges in terms of refunds, you embrace a digital product that can be effortlessly created using AI. Not only does it cost nothing to ship since it's automatically delivered via email, but you also eliminate refund issues since knowledge-based products cannot be unlearned. Consequently, customers are not entitled to request their money back. The advantages are evident. Digital dropshipping is far simpler and offers exponential profit potential. I am currently running a highly successful digital store that generates approximately $800 per day, requiring only a mere 5 minutes of my time. It's by far one of the simplest and most profitable ventures I've ever pursued. If you're interested in replicating this success, let's start with the initial step: selecting a product and niche. Options abound, ranging from fitness guides and cooking courses to MP3s with sleep-inducing sounds. However, since this video focuses on AI, I'll emphasize the easiest digital products you can create with AI as your guide. The beauty of these guides is their versatility regardless of the topic. With effective marketing, they have the potential to generate millions of dollars in revenue. Yes, you heard it right, millions of dollars. To embark on this journey, begin by identifying a profitable niche such as cooking or fitness. Then, with the assistance of AI, craft a product that resonates with your target audience. For instance, consider creating a holiday cooking guide featuring 25 unique recipes, one for each day leading up to Christmas. Find captivating Christmas recipes online, input the details into the chatgpt, and let it generate a comprehensive guide on creating these delightful dishes. Once you have your guide ready, establish an online store to sell it, relying initially on organic marketing efforts. As sales increase, reinvest your profits into paid advertising to further propel your success. I understand that some may question how to tackle these endeavors without prior knowledge. Rest assured, as I am aware that finding such information online can be challenging. That's precisely why I'll be developing an in-depth dropshipping tutorial in the near future. To ensure you don't miss out, consider subscribing and enabling post notifications to stay updated on its release. Another intriguing opportunity lies in assisting others with their homework using AI. Although it may not initially appear highly profitable, I assure you it is. There are individuals online who are willing to pay $5 for each math problem on their tests. Consider this: if a test consists of 50 questions, you can effortlessly earn $250 by inputting their test questions into AI, obtaining the answers, and returning them promptly. Some may question why anyone would pay for this service when they could solve the problems themselves. The answer is surprisingly simple: some individuals lack knowledge about AI, while others may be too lazy or have limited problem-solving capabilities. Regardless of the reasons behind their preferences, you can capitalize on this opportunity and generate substantial income by assisting individuals with their homework, whether online or in a school setting. Allow me to share an inspiring example. I know someone who earns $100 per week by emailing test answers to students in a different classroom. Although $100 may not seem like a considerable amount, the ease of copying and pasting content into AI offers you the opportunity to earn extra income effortlessly. Consider leveraging this approach for your own schoolwork as well. Lastly, let's explore YouTube automation, a remarkable business model involving the creation of faceless YouTube videos using various AI tools. By posting these videos, you can generate revenue. In an upcoming tutorial, I will provide an in-depth guide on exactly how to execute this strategy. If you're interested in unlocking the potential to earn thousands from YouTube, I encourage you to watch the tutorial immediately. Remember to hit the subscribe button to stay updated and embrace the immense possibilities that lie ahead. Wishing you the best on your journey.